Yo, what is up, guys? Today live trading session and the things that I have to tell you. So today I blew my two evals. I was so close to passing it that I don't know how I could let that happen. I just let my emotions take over me. But one thing that I did realize is that I was really getting a bit sloppy with my rules. So originally I should have probably blown this account a long time ago because I was over risking, over leveraging in the first, in the second week and in the third week where I could not hold my emotions back and just started over risking and over leveraging. So today the same thing happened and I couldn't just not hold myself back anymore. And I was 200 away from passing it, but I think God is showing me that I'm not ready yet and that I have to. God is teaching me a lesson right now. He's saying you want to be a funded trader, you want to be profitable, then be then show me that you are profitable. So he gave me the challenge. So he gave me a challenge to prove myself if I'm ready to be profitable or ready to get to where I want to be. And I did not pass that challenge. So that means that I should not be the person yet that I wanted to say, that I'm not him yet. I'm not the person yet that I say that I want to be. So I think that I kind of understood today is that I really have to determine when I'm gonna trade, what I'm gonna trade, and because lately I don't really know what I've been trading. Cause okay, I've been saying something like, okay, I'm trading continuation. So what is the continuation? Well, what kind of continuation am I trading? For example, or I'm trading reversal. For example, in this instance, I would say I'm trading reversal. So that would mean I actually should have just did the trade from here, right? This would have been my reversal model. Something like this would have been my reversal model. But I don't like that way of trading anymore. I'd rather see like something like a continuation. For example, we measure these candles. Okay, we have this fair value gap that we're probably gonna mitigate and move lower. Where to maybe this low. So I'd rather like trade the continuation. So in this instance, it's clear that we are very very bearish. It's clear. That's obvious. We can see that we're very very bearish. Where are we probably heading to? So we made this higher, lower high. So we sweep these lows. So what is the next draw? Probably something like these lows or these lows. This is my higher time frame draw. And what you're showing right now on the higher time frame is also signs of shorts. But from where do I really want to take my shorts? Preferably from this 50% level which we already mitigated, or like something like this level. So what trade I'm trying to take right now is just a continuation. Actually, not a continuation. This is the reversal that I'm trying to trigger now. If I was taking a continuation, I would have been looking for shorts waiting up here. So right now, why did I just get kicked out? Hello. So right now, I'm just waiting for some sign of for the higher low to get created. This higher low, I'm gonna enter off that higher low. So for example, if we get into these fair value gaps, I'll wait for a rejection, and then the next move up is what I'm gonna take and trade towards these highs. I did buy another eval, which I did contemplate because I didn't know if I'm ready yet. I don't know if I'm ready yet to already be trading again because I really, really, really messed up today, and I do realize that. So, and the thing that's why I messed up so big is because I don't know what I don't have like clear rules. I don't have clear strategy. So in these coming days, I'll be backtesting like a demon. I'll be backtesting like a demon, getting this continuation model in because I do like these continuation trades, and being able to see stuff on the lower time frame. Then be sitting on the 1 hour. Okay, we have a sweep. Okay, this happening. So, and I'd rather like see what actually the market is doing. Where are we going to? Because market is always trying to find efficiencies and balance those efficiencies out. So, and I also realized that I'm not the person that I want to be because I'm also not the person that I want to be outside of trading. So, if I'm inside of trading, I want to be this disciplined trader. I want to be this person that is on top of his game. But then, if I'm outside the trading charts, not the same person, then how can I be that person uh, inside on the chart, for example? So a thing that you do how you handle one thing is how you handle everything. That's what a lot of people say, and I think that's true because I don't think that is true because I've been really lacking on certain parts in the outside of trading, like for example, not sleeping early, breaking habit, not able to like for example breaking good habits, being on my phone too much, and that kind of stuff. That like I know that don't have. I know that I'm not supposed to do those things, but you know what? I still do them. Sleeping through my timers, and like not waking up early. All those kind of things. And I think because I wasn't able to get those things right, I'm also not gonna get the. I'm also not gonna be able to be right within trading because if I'm not disciplined in life, how am I supposed to be disciplined in trading? If you do one thing, how you do one thing is how you do everything. So yeah, that's also a thing that I realized and that I have to be focusing on. So how it's looking is not is probably not is that we're probably not gonna get this retrace, and I'm probably just gonna take a trade off short. So I'm gonna be looking for shorts for now, because we're probably not gonna get that retracement. Wait, BRB.
Ik maak een movie elke keer als ik zie ze haten, want ze zijn niet zo belangrijk. Ben aan het grinden om mijn money. Ze kijkt lang omdat ik binnen met mijn cheese ben. Als ik kom dan wil ik bitches die me teasen. Dus ga voor de win, want ik kan echt niet meer verliezen. Heb nu aan je keuze, ik heb moeite zoals met kiezen. Waarom moet het zo zijn? Waarom moet het zo zijn?
Okay, it looks like we're in the range that I want to be taking shorts off. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna be waiting for signs of that we're actually going back down and shorting. Actually, I'm just gonna be waiting for signs that we are actually making a retracement, and just for us to wait if we're actually gonna make the continuation down. I don't know why I'm on a 15-minute charge, because 15 minutes is kind of high. So yeah, if we go through all of these, I would be waiting for up here. But yeah, if it looks like we might be getting that entry off there. So this is the first entry. Second entry would be up here. Stop loss above this high. Actually, I'm gonna just put the stop loss on the level. So we're well above this 1 to 6 is kind of outrageous, but we could take this. Create limit order. So I'm not going to be waiting to see what price gives us. I think I should just take this. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty clean. I will probably take 2. So yeah, I'll probably take this. This looks really clean. So even if we don't, wait, we don't get filled, please fill me. Wait, didn't even tap that level yet. And we're already moving. Please tap that level, bro. This is like 1 point. Looks like we probably don't even gonna get that entry. Do I really have to take it from here? I don't want to take this. I don't want to take it from there, bro. we missed the zone by 1 point, like 1 tick or something. Yeah, I think I'll have to send this. But this stop loss is so large, I don't like that. Oh yeah, we have to take it from the 0.681 level. Stop loss is at the 0.79 level, I think, around there. Wait, what is happening? What is all this on my screen? Yo. What is this all on my screen? So basically this play is just a continuation for us going down. I was anticipating us to be bullish to this fair value gap and probably maybe looking for an entry off of these Fibonacci tools. I did already want to take an entry off this 0.71 entry. If we get stopped out, then I might just take a second trade on this from this level if we are still holding the bearish bias. If not, then we're probably just going to be flipping bullish and go straight through all of these. But I still think we might be, I think we are bearish, but we have been bearish kind of the whole week. So I don't know if we're still going to be bearish today as well. So we did hit that 0.71 level. So if I did just wait for that 0.71 level, it would have hit. But yeah, let's see what this gives us, and see if we are just going to inverse this level. Okay, limit order. How much am I risking on this? 300. That's crazy. Because like we have a lot of SMTs with ES right now, which could indicate we're still going short. And we have not made like a clear, like a really good retracement yet. So this trade is basically continuation for us to go bearish, and a retracement for the longs to a possible fair value gap down here. If we hold this fair value gap, I might add one more mini to the position. So the total risk is like 500. One hour. Like we really have to hold this for like the coming 7 minutes. But I do think we might push higher and then make a rejection. That's looking like how market wants to move. Are we gonna get stopped out? I think we are. Because we're really pushing bearish. I mean bullish. And that's stopped out. Minus 300 right there, but still I like the idea to go bearish. So I'm still gonna be holding my bearish bias. We may, I think, create another SMT right here. Like, yeah, another SMT with that right there. If we hold this 1 hour bearish fair value gap, I'll be taking this without hesitation. Let me look on the 15 minutes as well. I have a bit too much on my screen. I don't even know where. I don't know if we're gonna hold this level or not, because it's. I do want to take this trade, but like it's really risky because we're not holding the level yet, but we're kind of rejecting up these highs, showing like hesitation. I'm just gonna take this. It looks really good. Oh wait, no. Well, let's see what this candle does. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, and then we just start, and we start ripping. And we're just starting to rip. What is close to 10 a.m. candle? I might have cooked myself. We also have like order blocks around this level as well. A lot of really big order blocks. So what I want to see us do is at least make a retracement, and after the retracement I will probably just be break even, like a decent retracement towards maybe these fair value gaps down here. Best case scenario is we resweep the low, but I don't think that's gonna happen, seeing how market is moving. So yeah, I don't think this but I think we're just waiting for 10 a.m. open, and 10 a.m. open might cook me. It might create SMT with this high, and I'm cooked. I am cooked then. So yeah, I'm low-key scared about 10 a.m. open. Right now we're still bullish and we're still printing bullish candles, and that's kind of crazy on how high we're already up. How up we're already. How what the fuck am I saying? How high we already are. This is like a big reversal. So I just wanted to see push down, honestly. How much is this if I take this? 1 to 2. $10 a.m. is gonna cook me, bro. 10 a.m. is cooking. It's definitely gonna cook me, bro. I mean, 10 a.m. Oh wait, never mind. 10 a.m. didn't open yet. I thought 10 a.m. already opened. Bro, we have to push down. Like, I need some wiggle room for this 10 a.m. candle. If we move up towards here and 10 a.m. opens, bro, I'm cooked. 10 a.m. is if it's right here. Oh shit, bro, this shit's gonna cook me. It's gonna shoot push. It's gonna do this, bang. Actually, not like that, but like it's gonna do this, and then it starts moving down, bam, 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 bam. So if this stops me out, then it's on me because I did not like. I could have waited for 10 a.m. open. And we did create SMT on this high, SMT at this high, but bro, SMT is not gonna hold. This is good, bro. This is good. If we like, this is giving me wiggle room. This is giving me some wiggle room. Bro, move down more. I need some more wiggle room when this 10 a.m. open. Oh, this 10 a.m. open wasn't that violent that okay, this 10 a.m. open was kind of humble. It was a bit humble. I thought it would be more violent. I thought I would have been stopped out. But let's see what it gives us. I really need this to hold. I really need us to hold and retrace to like some sort of fair value gap. So okay, the best thing I could like probably see us happening here is we take out these. I mean, we take out this fair value gap right here. We don't respect that fair value gap. Oh wait, there's a 5 minute right here. Yo, this is bad. This 5 minutes looking cooking me. Wait, we reversed that 1 hour. Yo, this might be bad. We inverse this 1 hour bearish for value gap. Still holding 15 minutes for value gaps. If we inverse this 5 minute, that's good. If we inverse this 3 minutes, that's also good. So if this is a violent candle to the downside, that is really good. Okay, that's 3 minutes. I think that's 2 minutes. Yeah, that's a 2 minute. So we need to get these inversions in. This is a 5 minute inversion. Actually, it's right here. And that's a 3 minute inversion. It's 2 minutes. 2 minute inversion. Well, let's also measure this move as well to see how much this move actually did. So 50% level will be down here. Okay, this is a good candle, but this could just be the next leg up, so I have to be careful about that. For example, like we create a high, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low. For example, that's what I'm talking about right now. So I have to be careful about that because it's really looking like we are possibly going higher. Respecting that bearish value gap really, really well. But I need to see more inversions. If we get more inversions, that's really good. Need to see us inverse more stuff. Especially that 5 minute. If we're not able to hold that thing, bro, we're quick. Okay, this is a good move, bro. If we hold this, then I'm looking pretty bearish. If we can hold this, then we're looking bearish. If not, then we're cooked. Yeah, we're cooked, bro. We're cooked. Oh, we're cooked. Actually, hold up. I might be cooking. Yeah, we're adding to the precision. Bro. How much is this? Yo, this is a big loss if we take this hit, but I still believe in the shorts. I still really believe in these shorts that they will happen. If we sweep this Trill SL. If we're holding this, then we should be going down. If we not, then these shorts are not gonna happen. Okay, nice. We might be getting this 5 minute inversion as well right now. Okay, that's good. Good move. Really good motion right there. But we need to get that 5 minute and 2 minute inversion getting in. Okay, going in. Okay, 5 minute inversion right there. That's really good. Right now I can throw my stop loss to this high. So, but we're having SMTs low key getting formed. This SMT is low-key dangerous. But yeah. I really want to see us get to this 50% level. If we get there, I'm taking profits right there.
They don't. Do they not practice? I'm not sure. I'm not really sure, but trading view has practice account, so you might as well just use those.
2-minute inversion, bro. Make this 2-minute, please, bro. Make that 2-minute. Make that 2-minute inversion.
There's absolutely zero chance. We inverted this hourly gap. That was like the only condition that I was looking for shorts. We inverted this. We tag back into it. I just think that any flip will be ripping higher. Does anyone know how many contracts you can trade with on the
Yeah, I think we're gonna flip bullish right here.
50K? To get a strong convincing flip out here, I'd slap it. 30 micros. What? 3 is the max contract? Okay. I probably won't use, I'm not gonna use 3 because I want to give myself a freaking chance, but dude, like, this is just.
Yo, this is cooked. This is cooked. If I am able to, I will get out on break even. If I am,
One contract I'm in and see kind of what happens. Yeah,
because there's no reason for us to sweep this high again. We should. Basically, there's. I don't think we're gonna come back to break even. Yeah.
some quick math here. 14, 10, 20, 70. Oh, we're getting cooked. We need 70 points though. Oh, we're getting smoked on this trade.
Yo, I'm resorting to gambling again. What am I doing?
Damn, we got smoked on that. Maybe shorts were the move. Alright, we have another chance. We just gotta make back the.
Is this really gonna happen to me, bro?
Wow, that kiddo came in and fucking cooked. Holy crap. That's crazy. More of a pullback? Yeah, I mean, I don't know, dude. I'm so bullish towards this midnight open, but I'm still gonna slap along whenever we get it.
This looked like a sniper entry, bro.
Unfortunate, to be honest. Dude, discount, bro. It's not reaching. Like, if we're going higher, we're not going back to discount. I don't want to take longs if we get the discount. Then don't trade, dude. That's just. I don't trade that way. I don't wait. Like, I don't want to see discount. Like, if it goes back to discount at this range, I don't think that we're gonna go higher. Mark the candle open and close, and then see if we tap the point to the high. Yeah, like, dude, if we come all the way down here, I don't think we go higher. This is like the lowest I want to see us go. That would be like, okay, this is where I can wait for it. Is this low to tag, and then we don't.
Yeah, I'm kind of rushing shit right now, bro. Look, I kind of do realize that I'm rushing stuff right now. I just got stopped out, and I switched to bullish bias when I just marked out every bearish thing that I could find,
If we
and then I
just were
aligned with it.
short right where I went long, we would have almost passed it down. That would be good.
'Cause yeah, it doesn't really make sense for me to take in longs right now, and I'm still holding them. And I'm only gonna realize that when I already took my stop loss.
It's so cooked, bro. Dude, watch. It's gonna close back up around here, and it's just gonna rip. And I'm just gonna be like, not fall, bro. That was like crazy how quickly this shit just didn't give even a second of profit. It was like, nope. Get wrecked.
I'm gonna break even, bro, because this is low-key not the way that I should trade.
I
And I'm lucky that I didn't get stopped out. So yeah, I'm going break even. If this plays out, then it's just a bad trade. But lucky, I guess I'm lucky that it worked out. Cause I was heavily on bearish, but for us to only retrace this low amount is not like what I wanted to see. I wanted to see like retrace a bit more, get down to maybe actually, but then
I honestly don't even hate really trying to reentry, to be honest with you. Go for it.
Order still rejected. Order rejected.
Run free. Need to go. No. Damn, bro. Let's see if it flips somehow. The counter should be gone, but see if it flips. Fuck evals, bro. Let's see what happens. I'm not gonna close this trade.
this is the point where I should just say, okay, took my losses, I should get out. But look, I still like the shorts. I really like the shorts. Well, I think it's just unfortunate that we get stopped out right there. But I think it's kind of like consolidating around this point.
Yeah.
We don't have a clear structure on where we want to go.
Luck, dude. Discount luck. Fuck, bro. I don't want to buy another eval. Yeah, I got an email that shit's free. This thing's good. Fuck, bro. That's just annoying. I'm just gonna see how much I can lose. Buy a zero count, dude. Someone Venmo's me. I'll buy a zero count. I ain't trying to buy one, dude. Like, I think I can. Damn, I can't even close this trade. What the fuck? Dude, this is so good. This is about to be a generational long, though. Dude, let me see. What firms can I get for cheaper, dude? I feel like Alpha Futures doesn't do any discounts. I don't need to buy an eval, though. I have so many fucking accounts. Give away one? Bro, if I was gonna give away an account, I'd buy myself one. Get an Apex, dude. They don't have any discount right now.
Bro, why did I get manipulated out of this trade? Bro, the shorts were so good. Like everything clicked. The shorts were the play. Where did I go wrong with trading my stop loss to? Bro, why do we not like? Why do you have to manipulate me out?
I don't have any, like, my Alpha Futures doesn't give me free accounts to give away, so I'm not gonna take into my pocket, though.
Wait, that might not. Wait, that actually be a sign that we could go bullish. You know,
Bro,
that push higher right there.
there's an eval account, dude. Like, I'm not gonna, like, yeah, I could have waited for this with my friend, but it's like at the end of the day, you kind of just go for it. You kind of just go for it. Dude, this is crazy. Why is it not good? You kind of just have to go for the trades, you know? Like, not that easy. I do like these, but I just don't like that you have the 2-day pass. I don't like evals that you have the 2-day pass. Like, if I'm gonna trade an eval, I want to be able to get past them one day. I do want to see this long play. This is about to be a generational long. Like, when we put in this we have this S&P here. This is about to be one of the dirtiest longs of all time. Should've waited, bro. Oh well. Damn, dude. I still want to spend more money.
Bro, why are you away too long?
I have so many accounts going though. But like it's not worth buying another eval. Because it's like I buy another eval and then boom, even if I buy a zero plan, like I already have two, so it's like if I'm gonna get a payout from these accounts, I'm gonna make money, but if I don't get a payout, I'm gonna lose money.
basically I should have entered there. Enter would have been of the inversion.
I would have gone with the 3 contracts. Dude, I would have passed this fucking account, bro.
Would have been off of this inversion right here. Actually, I should have entered after the 3 minute, bro. The 3 minute enter would have been so good. If we move above this, I'm gonna break even. Which I kind of want to see us do, move above there.
Delayed that is crazy. So let's see, if I did buy a 0 plan, if I went full contracts on this trade, I would have gone 3 contracts, I would need 3k. 3k divided by $60 more, I would need 50-point trade. No, don't tell me that. I would have passed the account. No, dude. No. That's wild. My fucking using really try again, bro. Exactly why I was saying. I mean, running back to this high, so that's really all I look for trades. Just like running back to previous highs, but that's why I was saying like not like I wouldn't even want to see run the discount. Like if you're waiting for discount, like I don't know. I don't think that's a very good way to trade. You know? This is the pullback I should have waited for sure. I definitely could have been more patient for that. But if I'm waiting for it to come back down here, like it's not going up. Damn, if I did that same full port right here, I would have had this. Isn't that crazy to think about? Small decisions.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna go long. I'm not questioning that anymore, but where are we going from, bro? I'm low-key gambling again.
I know God is gonna dip right in that long. See, man always talks about like he never talks about P&L until he gets a good number. So also why I can't. Dude, why did this thing just not fill? What the fuck? But this is also why I can't be trading like or not can't be, but this is also why like dude I don't like trading fucking evals because I just like just want to full port every time. Take this short bro. Dude, you might get down to this low, but after that, not gonna privilege. You'll make a lot of money for yourself. I don't know, dude. I think we might come back down. I mean, we're going higher because we left these highs at midnight open. Like we're going to midnight open, I believe, but this thing closed. But I don't think that we're gonna go any lower than this. We're gonna sweep this low. We're gonna rip. It's gonna be generational. Kind of want to load up an account. Fuck, bro, is that worth it? What's the cheapest prop firm? What's the cheapest prop firm that you can pass in one day?
So yeah, we're adding to the risk. Why? Because I kind of realized that if if I'm trading this long on an eval, but yeah, same thing with like I have to be disciplined. But like, if I'm trading this long on like an eval, and like putting this amount of effort in the eval, then I might as well try rushing the process to get to fund it quicker. What the fuck am I saying?
Dude, it's like okay, I don't need to get the eval, bro. I need to save my money, bro. I need to save my money. I have a lot of expenses coming up.
I low-key need this to move up, bro. We're making SMTs with ES, bro. What the fuck? ES is already up here, and Q is not. I need us to sweep above this. Okay, we're making an SMT with ES right now. Unless we sweep above that. We just made an SMT. Actually, is this an SMT? No, this is not an SMT yet. Not an SMT yet. I don't like how violent this short is.
But like, dude, this setup off these lows, a long setup off these lows, actually makes me want to buy it, though. But I need something that can pass one day. But how much Apex 25, dude? Let's see. Actually, I don't want to do that. I don't know. I think they're probably like $100. Dude, when they don't run sales, they're fucking expensive as shit. Let me cancel my favorite position out of there.
I don't know.
What do we do with the rest of the day, man? I don't know what to do now. There's nothing to freaking do. Bored. Just get into day trading. What software? Damn, bro, I did not envy that. I did not envy just starting day trading. I cannot lie. I cannot lie, bro. I did not envy that. Starting that, bro. Oh, man. You can buy the TraderFi, scrape just
This is this 2K.
I don't know. I think it's. I'm not really trying to trade anyone out too because we're about to hit midnight open. That's like my main draw I'm gonna put in today. But fucking clean day. Just damn, I sold that eval. This is a dumbass trade. I can't take eval seriously, bro. I just can't. I don't know. And no, it's not like if you gamble evals, then you're gonna gamble your real accounts, bro. Gamble my account anyways. Dang, that was a sick trade. Did you feel on that fair value? Kind of ballsy. Like I just never traded the retracement type trades, so it's like so foreign for me to try and get a trade like that. So, my trade fight code last night. It's really nice. I appreciate it. Yeah, I've only been used twice because it's just different than my other code, so it's kind of hard to promote. But yeah. Damn, dude. I did need to be more patient on these evals because I would have passed on this entry right here. This is a way better entry. Yeah, that's what you have to follow. This one didn't displace. I just got it because it was green. And then this one's fine. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but it lost. And then this entry is shit. That I should have passed it. You live and you learn. You live and you learn. Eval trades is its own different thing. Genuinely, I really do feel like eval trades is its own completely different game. I will never sit there and just wait for like 8+ setups. Now, I mean, like it's worth it at the beginning. If you've never passed, you've never got payouts, it's definitely worth it. And I'm not gonna sit here and act like I'm like the best trader of all time, but it genuinely is kind of a waste for me to about eval. Shorts to these lows here actually wouldn't be too bad if we sweep midnight, but at the same time, Asia looks too clean as well. What is this beep anyways? Did it? Screen froze. Nothing's happening. Okay, I got it. That would have been nice. We would have had to start this time to this now. Oh yeah, never mind. Long term play here. Yes, you said there was this. Damn, bro. Today was one of them generational days. Historic days. Damn. Pretty troll. Yeah, that's crazy. See, like, I think you trade the 150Ks, bro. 150Ks, I've never bought an account that's not a 25K or 50K. 150Ks feel like a fucking bitch to pass. Whereas, like, that shit's like, you have to make 9K? Like, I know it's eval, but it's like, dude, you still gotta make 9K. Like, again, like, I get this just in relation to, like, how much you're spending on the account, but it's just, like, for how much you're able to risk and stuff, but it's like, 9K is still 9K, bro. Like, that shit's genuinely crazy. Yeah, I mean, like, I want to give it to them at some point when I'm, like, more confident in my trading, but it just feels like an extra spin. It's definitely the method whenever you, it seems crazy to go to the bigger side. Yeah, I mean, like, it's kind of just the same way that, like, if you sit there and you try and trade with, like, $300 risk or $500 risk, it's gonna take you forever, but you have to trade those risking, like, $2 grand per trade. And it's like, evals, it's like, if you lose 2 or 3 trades on eval, like, the account should be blown if you're trying to pass quick. Which, if you're not trying to pass quick, then you should have like 10 trades. But there is dead ass no reason to buy 150k if you're not confident that you're gonna pass the account, or not confident you're pass. If you're not confident that you can pass an account quickly, or that you can get payouts when you pass the account, buying a 150k is literally just a method. Like you're actually a straight bot if you're buying 150k with no payouts. Like I don't know, it just feels like crazy because then you gotta just make way more money. It's like, dude, why would you do that shit? But the 150k seem OP as fuck on the on Alpha Futures, so I actually do get it. If you want to get an Alpha Futures for 150k, it's actually really worth it because when you take a payout, you still have a big ass buffer, but it's just also still just more work. The only reason I didn't like, I would have bought a zero plan eval today if they didn't have that freaking 1k loss lockout, dude. That shit pisses me off. I've one day passed before on the 50ks on the Alpha Futures, but it's so much. You like scalp the 1 to 1, try and get like 1,000, then you have a little buffer, then you try and like make more. I really don't love trying to pass Alpha Futures accounts with the $1,000 one. They give you the 0-day pass, but it's like you can't really pass or go in one trade. I really think the best value in the entire freaking game is at Apex 25ks. I mean, you pay like $100 once you pass it, and it's just withdraw money from them, and you can get like a ton of accounts. You pay. Whenever they drop the 90% off, I think it's like $13 or $16. Next time they drop that shit, I'm past 8 more, so I'll have 12 accounts. Bro. I might even just see how much it would be to get 20 accounts, to be honest. But look at other trading videos. I don't think watching trading videos was bad. I just think you have to watch it with the right intent. I think you need to you can always watch psychology videos, or like I watch a lot of traders trade recaps, but I don't trade like them at all, and I'm not trying to add their trading. I just like watching trading videos. I just like watching recaps of trading. So there's a few guys that I watch consistently that I watch document their trade progress. So it's like you kind of have to know what you're going to. You definitely don't want to be watching strategy videos. Like if you know a system, you don't want to be watching TGR's newest strategy video. Like that will fuck you up. But if you're just watching somebody because you're just like my videos, I'm not really teaching people how to trade, but like most people just watch my stuff to see like what's going on, to see like let's see how I did today. But like psychology's a myth. That's probably the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. I cannot lie. Psychology is like, okay, like I'm gonna nitpick, and it's like, okay, cool, so you know, I can say that, but like psychology is the reason I didn't pass this account. So if I would have waited for something that would have made more sense to take, I would have passed my account. So because my psychology wasn't on point, I didn't pass my eval account. I blew my eval account because of my psychology, not because of skill. So it's like, it's not like me taking this second long here was a bad psychology. Like, and again, I'm not super upset because it's an eval and it's like it's not the end of the world. And like I know I'm gonna be risking heavy size. So it's not like the end of the world. It's not like I just blew $2,000 on like a real account because I was just full force. But I still could have taken a better quality trade if I just had more patience. And that's psychology. So psychology being a bit crazy. I believe that I had to master psychology to become a good trader. That I was wrong. Psychology is not the limiting factor for me. Well, then that just means you're not gonna trade again. Like if you're trading that just doesn't work, I'm sure psychology's not gonna help you. All the strong trading system with poor psychology can be still. You can't though. Like you can't really be profitable. Like you can be profitable for a little bit and then you blow up. So like I would say I'm profitable, but then I blow up. Like if I didn't have the bad psychology days, I would be making so much freaking money. But because I have bad psychology days, I don't consistently make money all the time. So I don't know. But yeah, you're definitely right. If you have perfect psychology but you can't trade for shit, you're not gonna make money because you're not taking any trades. But the reverse though, I mean, how should I get? The reverse though is that if you have really good trading and then terrible psychology, you might make money for a little bit, but then one day where you blow everything, you lose money. So you're gonna be a losing trader if you have bad psychology. So psychology is 90% trading because you cannot succeed without good psychology. You can succeed. You could probably actually do better with great psychology and a bad system. You could probably actually get better results than great trading with horrible psychology. I don't know. Like, dude, how about, like, you could, like, okay, if market gaps down and you sold market open every day with good psychology, or, like, if you sold or bought market open depending on, like, let's just say a basic system, like, you open up, did morning for the day, and wherever market opens, right, regular trading hours, okay, market opens short, if you went in and you shorted with, like, whatever you figure out for your strategy, or long, if we open a gap up, you long, if you gap short, you gap lower, you short, if you did that system, you could have a streak where you're profitable. So if your psychology is perfect, you never revenge trade, you never choose two sides, you stayed on the plan, you could get some payouts. But if you have terrible psychology, even if you trade good, you're gonna have that one day where you blow up your account, you never pass accounts, so you never get payouts, and then you're just never gonna make money. So I just feel like it's like if you master your psychology first, everything else will follow. You'll be able to develop a better strategy. You'll be able to see what works and what doesn't, and you'll be able to be better at trading. Like psychology is the most important thing because if you can't control yourself, then you're never gonna